is my girlfriend Emily. To introduce you to. She's riding along with me today. She didn't exactly grow up on the farm, so
I'm learning though.
Yesterday you drove tractor the first time, right?
Yep.
And skid loader.
Yep, skid loader first.
Alright, now I'm going to let Emily drive. It's only your second time. How much do you want? Lower?
Not sure.
Push that down and then there, and then put up. February, you said you couldn't do this?
February is the first time I sat in this tractor. It was freezing cold while I was sitting in the farm. I came over to this tractor and I told you I have no idea how in the world you're able to drive this big of a piece of machinery. And I would never be able to do something like this. And now I'm keeping my word.
That complicated. Very catch it up. Click that down, otherwise you're still in 11th gear.
All the way down to 1?
These go down to 3. Oh, it's definitely, you're not in the low gear. Snuffed it out a couple times. Yes, you have to remember what gear. It's not like the 89, 10 that I ran a lot. You knew what gear you're in. I'm going to show you guys the camera that looks into the grain cart that you'll see when I'm unloading on the go. Should be somewhere in there. Yeah, it should be right there. Now we're going to clean it. So I can see a lot better. Otherwise it gets a little bit hard to see. This thing gets dirty. Though it works remarkably well for how dirty it can be in just one. But now I gotta hurry up to catch Kevin, otherwise he's gonna be waiting for me. You can see. But we'll catch him. I'm going to go about 56 here, about 3 miles an hour. Yeah, you line up your inside tire where you can see where you knocked it down. Yeah.
Well, I didn't do this one yesterday, so the other stuff.
Yeah, I'll go out there. I'll make sure we're fine. There you go. Follow it up.
It's a little, multitasking, because you gotta watch with the auger and you have to watch the camera and make sure it's going properly. Just here at the same time. You have to make sure, the throttle, pull the throttle back a little bit. It should be good. But it would take some getting used to. That's it.
Especially on the hills, when you get farther away with all the angles.
This is the whole multitasking thing.
You can slow down, stop it here. Get a little lower gear with more RPM. You have more control on the speed you got. You get too high of a gear, you change speed too much. Lower gear with higher RPM. farm girl be any, or like a farm girl would be something already, right?
Farm girl mix
Yeah.
at about just over 20,000 pounds.
Yeah, and pull everything on the back. Pull it all the way up to 900. That's how it goes. We'll make a farm girl again, right?
Yeah.
Lovely and beautiful. Yeah, we can go back down that path where not bad for you. First time on Star Explorer.
No, it was good. You had your help a little bit with the steering.
Yeah, the hard part is when you're looking back, you tendency to move the wheel one way or the other. You have to teach yourself how to look back without your steering.
Yeah,
You might have to
looking back,
actually,
I was actually pushing.
you might actually have to move your arm, but it'll be a little harder for you because you're shorter.
And I can barely reach the pedal. That's what happens when I'm a foot short.
It's fine.
But
They were more 6 foot.
yeah.
2 Emily, too. One double your weight.